Alright, welcome to the last tutorial. This is actually the last step to get a completed cube. But I believe you have to do the algorithm twice because, as you can see, the red piece needs to go to the red side, but the green piece also has to go to the green side. But the red piece has to go into the left direction, while looking at it from here, the green piece has to go in the right direction. But we'll see. And the algorithm all depends which way you are trying to get the edge piece to. So in this case, we're trying to get it to the left side if you're looking at it from here. So getting the edge piece to this side just changes the orientation of a couple moves, but we'll see. We might have to do it twice so you may be able to see both of them, but in this case we're trying to go to the left. So you start off with two front right turns, so 1, 2, and since we were trying to get the edge piece to the left, we turn the face left, and if you were trying to get it to the right, you would turn the up face to the right, but we're going to turn to the left. So it's an up face left, a left face down, a right face down, a front face right, a front face right, a left face up, a right face up, and then another up face left, and in the other case it would be an up face right, and then a front face right, a front face right, and bam, you did it. But as I thought, you're gonna end up having to do another sequence. But when you have a completed face, that means this side needs to be on the back of what you're facing. So the red side is completed on this side, so you put it to the back of the way you're facing, and now you examine. Now you see that this has to go to the left, because you want, now previously all the edge pieces were in their wrong spots, so you could just start from anywhere, but since the red side is done, you have to have this on the back side and do the algorithm now. Since the green piece is going to the left, you repeat the same algorithm as before because you want it to go to the left. So front face right, up face left, a left face down, a right face down, a front face right, up face left, right face up face left, and then a right face, front face right. Those can be either or. They can go both ways because you're just turning the cube 180 degrees. And bam, there you have it. You have a completed cube with all 6 sides of its color. But I'll post the algorithms, and either you go counterclockwise or clockwise to do it the correct way. But if you're experimenting with the cube and following the algorithms, you eventually see the pattern of how the cube is moving, and it should become easier with just practice and just playing around and having fun. There you have it.